Welcome to the garage. Welcome to the garage. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. Use a heavy hammer. Use a heavy hammer. I see a screwdriver. I see a screwdriver. Fix the screws now. Fix the screws now. Look at the ladder. Look at the ladder. The ladder is tall. The ladder is tall. Where is the wrench? Where is the wrench? Use the metal wrench. Use the metal wrench. These are cardboard boxes. These are cardboard boxes. Open the storage box. Open the storage box. I need a drill. I need a drill. The drill is powerful. The drill is powerful. Clean the floor now. Clean the floor now. See the garden hose. See the garden hose. Water the plants daily. Water the plants daily. This is a rake. This is a rake. Clean the dry leaves. Clean the dry leaves. Paint cans are here. Paint cans are here. Pick a blue color. Pick a blue color. Find the electric saw. Find the electric saw. Be careful with saws. Be careful with saws. Put on safety glasses. Put on safety glasses. Safety is very important. Safety is very important. The car is parked. The car is parked.